Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking that you have an administrator account. This is required to remove system network components. Once signed in, identify the VPN name and provider so you remove the correct adapter and service. Make sure to export or note any settings you might need later. This prevents accidental data loss. Now open Settings or Control Panel without delay and navigate to Network or Apps. These are the first actionable places to uninstall a VPN client or remove its connection. You uninstall the VPN application through apps or programs. This removes service entries and scheduled tasks. Once done, open Device Manager and expand Network Adapters. Uninstall any virtual adapters tied to the VPN and choose to delete drivers if prompted. After that, return to Network Settings and delete the saved VPN connections to stop automatic reconnection. This two-step removal, App plus Adapters, ensures the client won't reattach, and it clears routing or DNS, changes the VPN left behind. You finish by restarting the laptop. That completes driver unloads and clears transient network state. If you still see routing or DNS issues, run netch-int IP reset and netch winsock reset, then flush DNS with ipconfig/flushtons. This restores default network behavior. Make sure to check Task Scheduler and Startup entries for leftover VPN services and remove them. Troubleshooting tip: if the adapter persists, boot into safe mode and uninstall the driver there. This forces removal when normal processes are blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.